In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reorder projects on Behance. If you've ever wanted to control which projects visitors see first on your profile, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with a simple drag and drop. First, sign in to your Behance account. Once you are logged in, head to your profile by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. That opens your public-facing portfolio page where the layout you see is the layout others will see. If you manage multiple profiles or teams, make sure you are on the right one before continuing on your profile. Scroll to the Work tab. This is the main gallery where your project covers are displayed in a grid. You'll see your published projects here, each represented by a cover image. If you don't see a project you expect, check that it's published and not sitting as a draft elsewhere in your account. Also, ensure you are in the project's view rather than other sections like mood boards or appreciations. Only projects can be reordered in this space. Now, to change the order, move your cursor over the project cover you want to reposition. Click and hold the cover, then drag it to your desired spot in the grid. As you drag, you should notice the layout shift to indicate where the project will land. Release the mouse to drop it there. You can do this across rows, moving items from the bottom to the top, or simply swapping positions with nearby projects. Repeat this as needed until the first row highlights your most important or recent work. A quick tip: this process works best on desktop browsers, where drag and drop is fully supported. Here is no separate save button for this. The new order saves automatically as soon as you drop a project into place. If the page doesn't immediately reflect your changes, give it a moment, then refresh your browser. You can also navigate away and come back to confirm the new arrangement. Remember, once saved, this order becomes the way your portfolio appears to visitors, so take a moment to review spacing and visual balance. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.